Be ready for national pledge. Position take. मेरे साथ साथ बोलेंगे सभी. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give support to my parents, teachers, and all elders. I will treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and happiness. Only lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Hands down. And now I shall give a command for national anthem. So you have to come in proper attention. And according to national anthem, in 52 seconds, we have to cover up the entire enchanting. Parade, attention. Be ready for national anthem. Start.